This is a place called Shipley between Langley Mill to the north, where I'm facing, and Ilkeston to the south. It's not far off, halfway between them both. Up and down Erewash. And on the right, the 45-mile-an-hour directional, or should I say bi-directional. To the south, not far around the corner, is Ilkeston, and then Trowell. Then the line branches to Nottingham or carry straight on to Towton. 12:51, Liverpool to Nottingham. About to make its last stop at Ilkeston, just behind me. (14:09) Leeds to Nottingham. Next stop Ilkeston, about 2 minutes from here. 4 late off Langley Mill. (12:56) Norwich to Liverpool. Walsall Freight Terminal to Dowlow Briggs.